Discover the SUNLU PLA lactic acid filament, perfect for your three-dimensional printing projects. Made with high-purity black PLA, it offers low shrinkage and excellent melt flow for smooth, clog-free prints and precise dimensions. The 1.75mm diameter is carefully calibrated for perfect roundness, ensuring reliable results every time. Wound neatly to prevent tangling and ready to use straight out of the box. It's compatible with most printers. Elevate your creativity today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ELEGOO 3.75mm filament, your perfect partner for high-quality three-dimensional printing. Crafted with precision, it guarantees consistent diameter accuracy and smooth feeding for flawless results every time. The neatly wound spool prevents tangles, while the eco-friendly PLA material ensures odorless printing with minimal warping. Suitable for most 1.75mm FDM three-dimensional printers, ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. Elevate your printing projects with ELEGOO. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the power of ELEGOO PLA Plus, the ultimate filament for your 3D printing projects. With higher toughness and impact resistance, it delivers durable, functional results. Its neatly wound design reduces tangles and breakage, making printing smoother and more reliable. Experience top-notch accuracy with consistent diameter and excellent layer bonding for a glossy professional finish. Plus, it's easy to use with no clogging or bubbles. Elevate your prints today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the amazing eSUN PLA Plus, an enhanced version of traditional PLA filament that offers higher strength and better toughness, making your 3D prints more durable and resilient. Crafted from eco-friendly, non-toxic plant-based materials, it is safe for you and the environment. Designed for high-speed printing without cracking or warping, it ensures precise, successful results every time. With its tangle-free design and excellent compatibility, eSUN Plus is perfect for all your creative projects. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the amazing SUNLU PLA Filament, a versatile and easy-to-use material for your 3D printing projects. Its excellent layer adhesion ensures smooth, strong and durable prints, while its high impact strength and toughness make your creations resistant to bumps and stress. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, SUNLU PLA combines the best qualities of PLA and apps for reliable, long-lasting results. Elevate your 3D printing game today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the amazing JAYO PLA Filament, your perfect partner for standout three-dimensional printing. With its advanced production process, it delivers high-dimensional accuracy, excellent adhesion, and low shrinkage for flawless results. The filament is neatly wounded to prevent tangles and clogging, ensuring smooth printing every time. Compatible with nearly all three-dimensional printers and pens, it's easy for beginners and experts alike. Enjoy clog-free bubble performance with reliable flowability. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the amazing 3-toger PLA filament, perfect for fast, high-quality 3D printing. With a diameter of 1.75mm, it allows you to print at speeds up to 300mm per second, saving you time without sacrificing detail. Its reliable, clog-free design ensures smooth, stable surfaces every time. Compatible with most FDM 3D printers, this filament features precise dimensional accuracy in printing. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, enjoy easy, clean and efficient 3D creations. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.